Hey everybody, it's 123 Mr. B. Continuing on with our breaking math system here. We're going to do some practice on one of our subtraction tricks right here. Now this one is the midpoint shortcut, so I love shortcuts. I love showing you shortcuts. Here we go. What I'm going to try to do is find an easy number that's in between these things that I can use as a midpoint. So here I know that there's an easier number like 200 that's in between these things. So I could imagine that it's kind of like the bathroom break on a road trip, right? So from here to here we drove only 3 miles, and from here to here we still need to drive 183 miles. So the total amount of driving that we'll actually do is going to be 186. So because that's true, that means that the answer to this is simply 186. Poof, done. Okay, there's our thought cloud. Now here, this one here, I'm thinking I want an easier number. Now 900 is between here and here, but that's a little tricky. How about 1,000? 4261. There's my bathroom break at 1,000, and then there's 885. Now what I know about complementary numbers, 885 to 1,000, that's only 115 miles or 115 kilometers to drive, and 1,000 to go to this far on this big road trip is 3,261. 3261. Someone's slamming doors outside there. So the whole road trip turns out to be this much, 6733. Right? Okay, there we go. So because that's true, that means that the answer to this question is exactly that, 3376, 3,376. We just find the bathroom break, say how far did we drive, how far do we have left to go, poof poof, put them together. That's the whole distance of our road trip. A couple more things here. Remember, I'm always trying to show you questions that are expandable, meaning we can use them for larger and larger questions. So we can do these things too, even though they're much larger numbers. I'm thinking at a number between here, 433, I could put like the number 3,000 in between here, 2558, okay? So now I'm thinking, okay, for 2558 to get to the next 1,000, I'm thinking complementary number between 558 and 1,000, okay. I'll have to do a little bit of work here. 500 and 500, okay. 550 and 450, okay. 558 and 442. So we'll just see a previous video about that. So I know from 558 to the next 1,000 is 442, and then from 3,000 to 43333, or well, 4333 I mean, is only 1333. So the total road trip from here to here is that much, from here to here is this much. The total road trip is 1775, and because that's the total distance between these 2 points, that means that that's my answer right there. Okay, zip. And here's my thought balloon, my thought clouds. Thought clouds inside thought clouds. This one here, don't be afraid of the larger numbers. It's just a number. We're going to pick something in the middle, 19,000. How about we'll put 20,000 right in the middle. Zzz, zzz, zzz. Okay, I'll put that other number down here. I'll put that other number down here and see how far is that road trip. So from 275 to the next 1,000 is going to be 725. I know that because 700 plus 300 makes 1,000. So if I go up by 25, I have to go down by 25. So that gives me 1,000 as well. Okay, that's my thought cloud inside a thought cloud. And then from here to here is 13333. So 13333 is all the distance that's remaining there. So I just put them together. 8, 5, 10, 4, 1. That's the total distance from here to here. And then from here to here, total distance is right here on the road trip. So that must be my answer here. 14058. And this is all my thought cloud. And here is my work. And it's done. All right. This trick, again, once you practice this and get fast at this, you know you're going to get really good at this and really fast. It removes a lot of opportunity for errors that happen when we start cluttering things up with borrowing and stuff like that. So anytime you have a chance to have work that's cleaner without that clutter, go for it. And plus, you're helping yourself with your mental math. So remember, go mental, practice this stuff, and you will get faster, I guarantee.